Hero FX Honest Review. Is the Hero 10x account a trap? Let's find out. Hero FX offers leverage trading and claims to help traders scale their potential through funded accounts. While the interface looks professional and the sign up process is easy, digging deeper reveals serious red flags, including unregulated operations, lack of verified financial licenses, and operations that has several complaints. And then the withdrawal issues also have several complaints with the frozen profits as well. Users have also reported account terminations without very clear reasons, and support response times can be extremely slow. The Hero 10X account specifically sounds appealing and promising fast funding, but there's no verified proof of consistent payouts or transparent evaluation criteria. You may look at other options and reviews to verify this one. So for final verdict, Hero FX and its Hero 10X program show all the warning signs of a high risk trading platform. Without regulation or any transparency, it's better to stick with trusted brokers like Oanda, eToro, or IC Markets for legitimate funded trading options. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.